Welcome to Aksharatma video series 8th day.
Wish you all the greetings of the National Reading Day, which was on June 19th, and the reading week from 19th June to 26th June, and the reading month from 19th June to July 18th. You all may know that the National Reading Day is observed in memory of Sri P. N. Panikkar, the father of library movement, who started this movement of setting up libraries in Kerala, especially rural areas, in the name Granthashala Prasthanam, and this movement tremendously helped in increasing literacy in Kerala. Reading makes us more complete and a perfect person. Let us realize that reading good books inculcate in us good values, respect for fellow beings, nature, culture, etc. It gives us new insights, new ideas, and new horizons of knowledge. In the present days, we can easily overcome the COVID pandemic crisis and lockdown blues by spending time on reading. Reading is the most ideal and perhaps the least expensive way of spending time. And during this present pandemic, it is the safest and the healthiest way of utilizing time. Let us consider reading as a noble and exemplary habit. Let us engage and engrossed in reading and encourage others also to spend more time in reading. Read and lead others too towards the habit of reading. Now, coming to the Golden Jubilee Memorial Library of our college. It originally started in 1925 as Mother Veronica Library, and since 1975 as the Golden Jubilee Memorial Library, with excellent infrastructure and up-to-date technology for learning and research, and presently for the new normal means of online learning. The Central Library of our college has about 1,500,000 books, over 200 journals and magazines, and it caters to the needs of the present day with access to National E-Library with e-books and e-journals about 10,000. It has been automated with software since 2003 and presently as an integrated library management system since 2013. Has a collection of rare books, archives, journals and newspapers. Special sections, collections of rare books for career guidance and value education, and further excellent service to differently abled and visually challenged are the best practices of our institution. We have a good team of highly qualified library staff, and I congratulate and appreciate Sister Ashrita, Sister Divina and Mr. Binu Babu for maintaining and elevating our college library in such an excellent manner with its state-of-art technology with very advanced digital platforms for easy access of knowledge. I would like to specially thank our management, former principals, Director Dr. Sister Vinita for all their support towards the development of this knowledge infrastructure in the college. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Faculty of Sociology Department, Srimati Elizabeth Abraham, the head of the department, and Dr. Sajida Kurup, the coordinator of this initiative of Aksharatma, and of course to all other members of the department for their valuable contributions towards the successful conduct of this Aksharatma video series in association with our college library. In her introduction video, the first of the series, our director, Dr. Sister Vinita, had rightly stated that Aksharatma is an endeavor that helps one to ignite the passion of reading. Sister Ashrita, the most sought after senior librarian, had narrated on the importance of reading in her first session, and in the next one on why we need a librarian. Sister Divina, Assistant Librarian, had given us a book review, introduced many of us on Zotero, a software for reference management, and her next sessions on plagiarism and library ethics. Mr. Binu, Assistant Librarian, in his session gave an excellent book review and the importance of reading for effective communication. I also congratulate Ms. Maina Ubaiman for her video content on the books she read from our library that was enchanting and appealing to her, and also to Mr. Libin for his excellent art of video capturing. I advise our students and staff members to make optimum use of our precious library resources. In the present day, it is the safest way of distancing from others and hence keep oneself engaged in reading. It is very well known that Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and several other national leaders and freedom fighters read and wrote extensively during their lockup in jail. So why don't we read and dare to write during this lockdown period? So friends, take this as a challenge, a reading challenge. Reading makes us more informative, more resourceful, more creative, more innovative and helpful to the society. Realize that what we know is very little when compared to what is there to be known. So let us take up this reading challenge and let this good habit make us more informed, reformed, enlightened, compassionate and service-minded persons. Best wishes and thank you all.